Phil Spencer, Le Cuisine de Ménage, the household chef, and today we're making frittatas. Two ways, one in a muffin tin and one in a skillet. I'm going to leave the ingredients that I used in the information section below, and that was to make 6 muffin tins or 1 10-inch skillet. Now the beauty with these frittatas is you can use any vegetable or protein that you like. Pretty much anything goes well on this. The important thing is any raw proteins need to be cooked first and then minced and set aside. The other important thing to note is when you're using the muffin tin, each cup, just fill each cup halfway with the egg mixture because it will expand when it cooks. So what you saw before was I just lightly greased the muffin tin and I added the egg mixture. Now just season it with just a pinch of salt and pepper. And these are my suggested ingredients, but you can use anything you like. And like I mentioned, the beauty of this dish is you can use leftover vegetables, leftover proteins. These frittatas also refrigerate really well, so you can do make-ahead breakfasts for the week. They also freeze well for up to a couple of months. So if you're wondering what those ingredients are, that's a bit of green onion and some spinach leaves that I did a chiffonade cut on, of course, and a bit of Parmesan cheese. So we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and when it's all warmed up, set the muffin tin in there. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown on top. Here's how I make the family style version of this. I'm going to use a 10-inch skillet, and pretty much I limit it to 5 to 6 ingredients, but you can do whatever you like, and more cheese, and don't forget mushrooms, and however you really like it. It's perfect for leftover vegetables and proteins like I mentioned before. So I'm going to run through this high speed with the ingredients I chose, and once again we're going to bake it at 350 for about, this time there's a little bit more, so about 20 to 25 minutes or till it's golden brown on top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave me a comment below. For this complete recipe and easy to follow step-by-step method, please visit my website, thehouseholdchef.com. That's all one word. It's also where you find some other great recipes and videos, and they all come with that easy to follow step-by-step method. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.